Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about Bitcoin price prediction and the overall crypto price prediction today. So let's stay tuned. Finally, I have decided to continue the price prediction. This is not a financial advice. This is just based on my sharing experience only. So take it or not, believe it or not, it's up to you. So before even I start, this video is not sponsored by anybody, which is a good thing. And remember, go to my CryptoMY channel, which is the link tree. I actually share it most of the time. Go and support my channel by registering the referral link above. So every referral link will have its own rebates, and remember to go and register. So that's all. And let's get back to here, which is the price prediction. I have not been talking about price prediction for quite some time. Oh yeah, before one thing before I actually continue. Join my Telegram group. I actually put down the link here. Go click on it, join my Telegram group. I actually decided to share some tips, futures trading tips over in my Telegram group from time to time. So people that likes to, you guys, whoever who likes to trade futures and you want to get some tips from me, I will actually share in my Telegram group. And remember, do your own research before entering any position. Okay, so tips is tips. They always have a chances of losing and winning. Okay, so there's no 100% say that, oh, if I join your group, just follow your tips, I will get 100% gain all the time. No such thing. Okay, remember that. Okay, so let's get back to here. Total crypto market. So right now you can see this is the total crypto market. See how it has been doing. It has been doing very ugly, falling all the way down non-stop like a crazy people. So anybody who actually been into this market since last 2 weeks to or maybe last week, you can see there are plenty of downfall from 1.6 trillion of market cap all the way down to 880 trillion of 880 billion of market cap right now only. So it already dropped below 1 trillion. And there are plenty of negative news going on lately in crypto industry. Not even crypto industry, share stocks, everything is going great. So it's considered a global recession, but it's also a good time for you to accumulate more tokens. If you are a spot trader, remember to do your dollar cost averaging towards the project that you like. For example, if you invest on ADA at $3, right now it's 40 cents, it's worth doing dollar cost averaging. This is another way for you to get back into the market at a lower price. So in that case, we call it buy the dip. But where is the dip? Let's find out together in today's episode. So looking right now, it looks terrible. Looking at this, it has been falling all the way to 880 billion of market cap. Looking at 4 hours, doesn't seem like it's still doing well. It's still looking okay for now. The dip, the drop, the falls has been normalized a bit. Doesn't have a lot of big dump going on lately. So you can see this has been sorted out for quite some time, few days already, and you can see that the RSI is moving back towards the 50 area. So it's 52 right now. So it's considered people are starting to buy back as much as possible in the crypto market. So looking at this, you can see the moving average line, it almost touched this moving average line 50, and whether or not it able to break above that one will be another question later. Why? Because you can see here, this is actually a resistor level. So in order for you to go above or to consider this as a recovery period, I would say that this candlestick need to close above this 50 moving average line 50, and then need to close above this 950 trillion market cap in order to go back to the 1 trillion market cap. Okay, so it sounds simple, but it's not simple. It takes time for it to recover. Don't expect like, oh, once it reach here, then it will or just boost all the way up because of the the global recession, the negativity around the social media. So it should take some time to recover. And look at the Bitcoin dominance, which is the altcoin. I think it's very similar to what's happening right now. The altcoin season also doing very bad. You can see that this is the nearest support level, just falling right below this sub resistance level. So you can see if I pull all the way up, you can see that here around this area is actually the resistance, the previous resistance, and when it broke above, then it just went all the way up. So right now here it just fall right below this support level, and when it falls, then people starts to buy back. So we can see this is a very strong major resistance, but you need to see, right, this moving average line 20 is very near towards the candlestick. If it close above, then you will see it will try to touch this moving average line 50, test it whether is it possible to go even higher. So right now you can see the dominance, the altcoins, and also the total market cap. Even Bitcoin, it's struggling. It's damn struggling. You can see, right, 40 over thousand, 30 something thousand, all the way to 20,000, even fall below 18,000. Scary. So there's a lot of panic happening, and if you are a trader, or if you are a long-term holder, or if you are new to crypto industry, I think like this area is good for you to purchase more. Looking at here, you can see, right, it falls back to this support line, this resistance line. This resistance has been in 2017, and it happens again in 2020, and right now it happens again in 2022. So I would expect it will touch few more times here, try to close below 20,000. If it doesn't, then it will recover from here. So if recover, then it will just create some new resistance zone here or new support zone here, slowly, from 20,000 all the way to 29,000, 30,000, I would say. Create some zigzag here and there, the consolidation until the next bull runs is coming. So, believe me or not, I think this 20,000 area mark, it's worth purchasing some tokens. Tokens means Bitcoin, it can be Ethereum, it can be other project that you like. Solana, Doge, any coin you name it, I think it's worth buying. As long as you think that the project has its own futures, it has its own ecosystem, that the ecosystem will not die, then I would say it is worth investing or worth doing dollar cost averaging. So this is how it looks like on Bitcoin versus USDT. You can see right now it falls on the support area, and around 20,000, below 20,000, I think it's worth to invest even more. So same goes with other coins. I don't need to talk about other coins. Other coins looks even way terrible than that. But you get a picture of all this, how you want to play out. Even Ethereum, you can see it falls way below this line, this 1,300, $400, and it just falls like crazy. And why Ethereum falls, based on my knowledge, correct me if I'm wrong, it's because of the difficulty bombs delay. So, Ethereum has been delaying from time to time. Every time also delay, what also delay. People start to question this project, whether is it, you know, what happening to Ethereum? Why is it called dealing? Is it developer problem? Is it the founder having some issue? Right? Ethereum, why is it still standing top two? Is because Ethereum is one of the pioneer coin next to Bitcoin, and Ethereum has a lot of NFT, has a lot of ecosystem going on, has a lot of coin that build under the Ethereum. That makes Ethereum stand strong. Even institutions like to prefer Ethereum because Ethereum, like I say, is one of the pioneer and it's kind of secure for them mindset. But if Ethereum continue to do something like that, continue to delay, and this will decrease the investor confidence. The top two in the coin market cap ranking will start to question back whether is it Ethereum worth staying top two in the next bull run. So I believe the next bull run, there will be a lot of arrangement changement within the top 10, the top 20, the top 30. There will be a lot. The lousier one, the bad one will die faster. The mid one will stay even better or even worse. Good one might stay even worse or even better. Nobody knows. So just remember, if you like that project, the certain projects, then go ahead and look for it. Follow their Twitter, follow their their social media, their Telegram, see what is the good news happening. I believe every project have its own good news, have its own upgrade, have its own events. So if you can see all these, what's gonna happen, what's happening throughout the year or throughout the next year or throughout any other years or what they're gonna achieve, that will make your mind whether that project is worth investing or not. Okay, so I think that's all for today, right? I hope you guys love this episode. If you guys love this episode, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys soon. And goodbye.